Just finished at the gym. Now I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's. This is my little Sunday routine. Also, I feel so uncomfortable because look at my top. I'm gonna put my little jacket on because I'm shy. It doesn't matter. Yeah. Because I eat like the whole thing of celery. We're going to IKEA! I'm like the girl who lost her wallet. Storage.
This is kind of cool.
Imagine if this was my background for my vlogs.
I'm so confused. Like, can you buy this?
Look, wouldn't this be a cute background?
Yeah.
So cute! Okay, we finished. We got curtains, everything I need for curtains, and a jar. I think that's all we got. Pretty successful IKEA trip. Good morning. I want to show you what I got from CRZ because I just got the package in the mail literally this morning. I got these square neckline ones. They are sports bras and they're obviously lined. But these are the most flattering sports bras. I already have 2 of these and I got 2 more because it's all I want to wear to the gym. Like, it just feels very secure, but it's very flattering, so you just feel really confident when you're at the gym. So I got this gray color and then I got this sort of off-white color. I don't remember what the exact color was called, but these are just my favorite workout tops at the moment. Like, I only want to wear these. I also pick up just a couple. I also got these little tiny cami ones. These really remind me of like the Set Active and Aloe ones. So if you want to try like small little basic cami sports bras like these, you should try these because they're very secure even though they're tiny. Like, they keep everything in place. They're super flattering and I just love them. It's very cute if you want to, like, you know, upgrade your gym wardrobe because New Year's coming up and I know we're all gonna be like hitting the gym, so you want some cute pieces to add to your gym wardrobe. They are all on Amazon, so you can get them from Amazon and see if they like fit. And then if you want to do like a big order, you can get it from their official website because it's usually a little bit cheaper. Like, you can get discount codes and stuff, but the return process on their official website is like bad. So I would get like maybe try it from Amazon first, and then if you like it and you want to buy a bunch, then get it from the real website. But I wouldn't get it from the real website first because you basically can't really return it. We're getting Korean barbecue because it's Mike's birthday, but first we're at Lucky Seafood because I need some veg. I'm trying to be on my like Coachella grind. I want to be skinny as fuck and I don't care, but it's hard because on the weekend I just kind of like demon out and like pig out, you know? Forgot to vlog at Lucky Seafood. Now we're at Ross. Did you know Lululemon will hem stuff for you for free? Well, if it's from Lululemon. You just have to be a member. They also have, like, they sell used Lululemon stuff and it's super cheap. So I'm going right now to pick up 2 pants I had hem, and I'm gonna try on crap to see if it looks good on me before I buy it used. You can return it for like 14 days or something, but I don't want to buy it unless I know it looks good. So yeah, let's go. I just got this dress in from Abercrombie. It's like a linen-y one. I already have this one. But clearly this is my vibe. It's a little bit long. I'll probably have to hem it like an inch, but I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm taking you to Home Goods. This is my outfit. I want to show you more stuff I got from Abercrombie. I'm literally such a troll because I think I showed you something last time too. I got this little dress. It's got shorts underneath. It's strapless, but I think they do give you like the straps, so if you hate strapless like me, you can use it. I don't know. I got this in a small and a medium, but small is too tight and the medium's too long. They're both petite, but they're still long if you're like 5'2", so also it's not that cute in person, I feel like, so I think I'm gonna return it. Then I got the baby tee in gray and white.
How much rice do you guys want?
Ah, it's fine.
Normal amount.
You're good, you're good. That's 3 possessions. Yeah, literally.
You're in love with somebody now. He brought you down.
Act like an angel, dress like crazy.
We're stopping by to get a carne asada burrito because we're not allowed to just eat. Oh, I'm allowed to.
I'm not drinking and driving fools.
I guess the clothes is most of the way to the store. Like, if it wasn't.
Good morning. I want to show you what I picked up from Ulta. First, I got this. It's the Milani Luminoso blush. I've been wanting it forever and I finally got it. I'm wearing it right now. It's pinker than I thought. I thought it'd be more coral. I like the way it looks on this one, but you have to be careful because if you go in with a heavy hand, like, you're gonna look insane. Like this side. Didn't realize how strong she was gonna be, but it's really pretty, very glowy. I can't believe this is drugstore. Like, if you like drugstore products that feels like high-end and performs like high-end, you should try this because it's so good. Like, I can't believe that this was like $8. Also picked up the Morphe lip liner in Honeymoon. Again, if you like drugstore products that feel high-end, everyone was saying that this is really good because it glides on really nicely, and that's true. It's like a brown color. It's not looking super brown on me because I put a lipstick on top. I'm wearing this plus Hug Me on top, so that's why it's so like pinky red coral. But this on its own, it's like really nice neutral brownie color, which I actually really love. Like, it makes your teeth look white and it's really good neutral kind of everyday lip if that's what you're into, like a neutral brownie color. It's not too brown either. Like, there's undertones of pink and it's warm and it looks good. It makes your teeth look white. I also picked up this it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In conditioner. This is going to be a gift for my friend. And then I had to restock my little conditioner from Haircare in silver because my hair, I feel like I'm always having to tone it. And I want like a light brown look, but it's just kind of brassy orange, so I'm hoping this will make her not orange. I also picked up some lashes from Amazon. This is the Ardell Wispy ones. If you do like DIY lash clusters at home, like these ones, try cutting this into 4 and then using them because they're so much softer than these ones. And they're like more comfortable and they're super long, so they look really good. But this is probably like 16 millimeter, so if you don't like super long lashes, you probably won't like it. And then I also got these lash clusters. I don't know because they feel so hard compared to the Ardell ones, and I'm worried they're gonna hurt me. I have worn them before and I do like the way that they look. I prefer like a softer lash because it's just so much more comfortable, especially if you're gonna wear them for a few days. But if you're going on vacation or like a little trip, lash clusters, DIY lash extensions at home is so good because you just wake up and you feel like you're ready to go and you feel like you look good. You don't even have to wear makeup. Like if you're going somewhere hot and sweaty, if you're going somewhere hot, if you're going to the beach and you don't really want to wear makeup because it's humid and it's all gonna melt off anyways, but you have lashes on, you feel so confident and you don't even need makeup. So